Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up as we take you on an exhilarating journey into the future of automotive excellence. Today, we unveil the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, a masterpiece of engineering and design that redefines what it means to be a hypercar. I'm your name. And with over a decade of experience reviewing the world's most extraordinary vehicles, I'm thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at Bugatti's latest marvel. Let's dive in. The 2026 Tourbillon marks a significant milestone for Bugatti, as it is the first completely new design since the brand's merger with Rimac in 2021. Priced at an estimated $4.6 million, this hypercar is poised to replace the legendary Chiron in Bugatti's lineup. With its sculpted curves and an all-new custom-made V16 engine, the Tourbillon is not just a car, it's a statement. This powerhouse combines a naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine with 3 electric motors, delivering an astounding total of 1775 horsepower. That's more than any previous Bugatti model, ensuring it remains at the pinnacle of performance and luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that is all about the tactile experience. From the finest leather to machined metal and crystal accents, every detail is meticulously crafted. The Tourbillon eschews the modern trend of self-driving technology and screen-heavy interfaces. Instead, it offers an analog driving experience that harks back to Bugatti's heritage, albeit at speeds previously unimaginable. So, what's new for 2026? Virtually everything. Bugatti claims that not a single component is shared between the Tourbillon and its predecessors. The familiar turbocharged W16 engine of the Chiron is replaced with a hybrid powertrain, featuring a naturally aspirated V16 paired with electric motors. The result? A leaner, meaner look with wider fenders and a narrower cockpit. Starting at $4.6 million, the Tourbillon comes fully equipped with a luxurious interior. Bugatti's Sur Mesure customization program allows buyers to specify unique color combinations and interior motifs, ensuring each Tourbillon is as unique as its owner. Expect to see these masterpieces starring in concours shows for the next century and beyond. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16, developed with Cosworth, produces 986 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. Add the 3 electric motors, and you get a combined output of 1775 horsepower. This beast is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and features all-wheel drive. Bugatti claims the Tourbillon can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.0 seconds and reach 250 mph in about 25 seconds. Those are figures we're eager to test ourselves. Beyond raw power, the Tourbillon also incorporates advanced hybrid technology. Its 21.00 kWh battery pack provides about 30 miles of electric range, making it more versatile than pure gas-guzzling predecessors. While official EPA fuel economy estimates are not yet available, we can expect modest improvements over the Chiron's 8 mpg city and 11 mpg highway figures. The interior of the Tourbillon is sculptural and mechanically fascinating, with a fixed hub steering wheel that rotates around the gauges, so it never obscures the instrument cluster. In a collaboration befitting the Tourbillon's inspiration, a Swiss watchmaker builds the gauges, which feature raised numbers and physical needles. There's no plastic anywhere to be seen. Even the clear coverings over the gauge face and center console are made of machined sapphire glass. The Tourbillon was designed to be its own entertainment, but for those desperate to check texts or have a GPS connection, Bugatti has a small hideaway screen and Apple CarPlay connectivity. Safety and driver assistance features are minimal, as the Tourbillon focuses on the pure driving experience. You won't find blind spot monitoring or lane keeping assistance here. However, Bugatti offers a 4-year warranty on all Tourbillon models and covers maintenance for the vehicle over the same time period. In conclusion, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is more than just a car. It's a symbol of unparalleled engineering, luxury, and performance. With a price tag of $4.6 million, it promises to deliver an unmatched driving experience. I'm your name, and thank you for joining me in this exclusive look at Bugatti's latest creation. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights into the world of high-performance automobiles.